So today we're burning some slash. Just had a dump of rain, so the ground's all wet. Carl's been brought back, tuned up and ready to go. And so the stuff that I really want to get cleared today is the brush, because on dry days it ignites very easy. Like even now after the rain, it just burns fast. So I want to try to get this pile gone today. Shouldn't be a problem. I hate smoking out the neighborhood, but it's wet, so I got to take advantage of it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way back into the stump pile. The plan will be to drop one of these on every once in a while and get rid of this pile here too. So not the most exciting work, but it's necessary to get this out of here. And then just plus with going into summer and everything like that, we have more fire protection because we are outside of a fire protection zone here on the homestead. Well, I guess if you're gonna smoke them out and get it over with. So that's not too bad. We have that whole pile is like just 3 or 4 fork loads with the skid steer, and that would have taken me 2 weeks or more probably to do it by hand because it was all intertwined. Anyways, so this is the last of it already. So once this stuff's gone, the smoke will be gone, and then we can just burn the stuff that burns nice and hot and doesn't smoke. So that's pretty good. Load of stumps this time. All right, getting rain right now again, so decided to stack it up a little bit. We're through the brush, but we still have quite a few stumps and logs and stuff like that. So I'm starting to make my way in here. All the brush was here, it's all gone. You can still see we still have frost underneath the ground. So yeah, so all this stuff will be going on next, and I'm really hoping that I can get it the heck out of here this week.